Copy with Mates feature inside of xDesign in the 3D experience is a great tool to help speed up your assembly process. Here, I have two parts that I would like to mate together, an insert and a base. I'm quickly going to mate the insert to the fixed base by making some coincident mates. I'm selecting the two front planes of the parts, one side of the insert and a side of a slot in the base, and then the bottom face of the insert and the top of the slot in the base. The assembly is now rigid. Now I can utilize the Copy with Mates feature to copy the insert part over into the other slot with the mates I already created, saving ample time. Navigate down to the Assembly tab and select Copy with Mates. Select the part you want to copy, the insert in this instance, and notice it changes to green. The Copy with Mates dialog box will expand, giving you multiple options. Select the first replacement reference window that is signified by purple, and notice the two faces we mated first for each part has turned yellow. Select the new face on the fixed base you want the copied insert to be mated to. In this instance, it is the same front face of the base, so you can just select Reuse Existing Reference. Once selected, the copied insert part will now appear and the two faces will turn purple and become mated. Continue to the next replacement reference signified the light blue color. Noticing the second mate we created, the side of the insert turns yellow. Select the side of the second slot in the base respective to the first slot. The copied insert moves into its mated position and the new mated face on the slot turns light blue. Continue on to the third and final replacement reference, noticing the bottom of the original insert now turning yellow. Select the respective face on the top of the slot in the base, completing the Copy with Mates feature.